Alright, I got the tach hooked up. I got the lights working. But I'm not getting no reading. But I think because I need a 1K ohm resistor. Now on this plug, this is a factory plug here. On this plug there's two blacks. This one is a ground for the tach. This one what illuminates the light on the tach. And this is a 12-volt keyed, and then the signal wire. On the tach here, black is ground, which is right here. This wire, these two are ground right here. This ground and this black are both grounds. The orange wire is the white on this tach. The other black is the positive right here where my finger's at, the red wire. That's a positive on this plug. That black one is right here. This is positive, and right here is positive. Now the tach wire is this green one right here, like that. But I think I believe I need a 1K ohm resistor for it to work right. Because when I start the truck up, the tach stays at 0. And I have the back of the tach on 6 cylinders on the number 6 setting. But the lights work. I did that, but now I'm not getting any reading because I don't think I have a resistor. So I'll start it so you can see. Just like that. So I gotta figure out how to wire that up. So anyhow, but it's all hooked up though. But anyway, that's it for me. Can't think of anything else, but